Okay, let's drive this dude.
Car. Drive the Hello. I'm in the car. It's literally 10 p.m. something. It's 10:10 p.m. so it's quite dark. So yeah. We're driving. God, okay, I should put the camera down. God. Oh. You can see me, right? No, it's like so dark. You only can see my hand. When there's light, only you can see me. Oh God. Okay. Oh no. How to turn? Of course the camera will go down and turn. But then I'm like, only you can see my hands. My mask is like here. Again. I did hold the camera. Oh, I have some boba tea. I want the like. Oh no! Oh God. Come on, Mom. You drive my dad's car before. Come on. You can do it. I hope we don't crash. This is my last time. It's actually pretty cold in here. Put it off. Gonna lower the AC. Okay, I'm not off this AC. Just on this one. I'll make it a little low. Yeah, like that. Better. I actually lost my hairband, so I don't know where it is. I mean, my hair tie. God. Can you even see me? It's like I'm a ghost. Can you see this mask? Is this a mask? God. It feels like it has been 2 minutes. Like, it has been 2 minutes, but like, it feels like it's like, I don't know. It feels like it's more than 2 minutes, to be honest. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's my light. Okay, now it's a little lighter. Camera fell again. This is quite boring. I actually started the video at 10:05, but then the video was a fail, so I had to video it again. Should I show you what's happening right now? Okay. I feel good though. You can see my hand though. My hand. My face. I don't know if you're able to see my shoes. Should I show you what shoes I'm wearing? Okay, no. It's not the right time. I'll keep my camera here. So you can see what's happening behind us. So your speed is, wow. course this was live. I'm gonna be close to the window because there's more light in the window, by the way. Thank you, follow. My mom is driving the car basically. Yeah, the big car. It's like a truck, but like a big.
It's not a truck. This is a truck.
Huh?
This is not like a truck. This is a truck.
Okay, it is a truck.
Daddy's car.
Yeah, it's my dad's car.
This is a pickup truck, by the way. Correct term is pickup truck.
This is a pickup truck? When I sit in your place, by the way, it feels more. Things are bigger, by the way. But when I'm in my seat, it's like more higher.
Yellow drive.
Yeah, I've been videoing for like 5 minutes. I was videoing for 5 minutes. Did you realize? Or no? You were just focused on driving.
Of course, I need to focus on driving because this is a pickup truck.
Yeah, I know.
So
The car is pretty long, so.
big and long. So although that.
This is my dad's company car. No, my dad doesn't actually. What no?
Because the car is like slowing down.
We can go like 17.
It's okay.
Oh, because like we're we're only half gas. That's why. Which side should we go? Should we change the lane? Oh yeah, I forgot. Stay on their lane.
I don't want to change lane.
Oh yeah, if you change your lane, you just end up in a parking.